guys, welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas. So today for you, I'm going to be showing you this really cute and fun look. This is perfect for like Easter, just springtime in general, or if you're a bunny lover or a floral lover. So let's get into this tutorial. You want to start off this look by applying your favorite base coat. I've already applied one, and currently I am applying a very sheer Zoya polish. This is one called Bella that's basically like what you would use for a French manicure. So any French manicure polish base would work. And after that is dry, I'm going to go in with some white acrylic paint and start creating the bunny head. As you can see here, I started in the middle, kind of put a line kind of straight down. It wasn't really, but that's kind of just to give you your like lines to fill in, and then you're going to fill that in with your white acrylic paint. And you definitely want to make sure that you like cap your tips of your nails just so it looks all white like the bunny head needs to be. Now the next step is you want to put like two little lines where you want your ears to be, which I did that off camera just so I can make sure they were centered. And then I'm just going to continue making the ears by slowly going outwards with more white acrylic paint. And if your white acrylic paint is kind of like clumpy or anything, just add a little bit of water and that'll help like even it out. I was going to say level it out, but even it out just to become a better consistency to work with so you can get those nice shaped ears. And that is all for that part. And if you mess up, it's okay. You can always go in and clean it up, or you can just make the ears a little bigger. Now, next up, I am just kind of making a fold in the ear. As you can see, you don't have to do that. You could leave it with the straight ears. That is completely optional and up to you. But after I'm done with that, I am going to go ahead and outline the ears and the head in a whitewashed gray just to give it some depth. Again, that part is optional. You do not have to do that because you don't have to even do the little fold in the ears. But now I'm going in with some pink acrylic paint to give the pink insides of the ears for this cute little bunny. We should name her. And then I went ahead and applied eyes. I did the whole like little eyelashes, so it's like a sleeping bunny. It's kind of cute. And now we're going to go in and start the flower crown. I am using a purple polish for the first set of flowers, and I'm doing those the bigger flowers, so there's only going to be 3 of the purple. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in between the purples with a light like periwinkle-y or sky blue, whatever blue works for you. This one was acrylic paint. The purple polish was actual nail polish. And after that is done, I'm going to go in and put the centers into the purple flowers. For that, I'm using orange acrylic paint, and then I'm going to use white acrylic paint for the centers of the blue flowers. After that is done, I'm just going to go and add some like little dots of gold acrylic paint just to give it a little extra something. And now it is time to go in with like the lightest shade of green acrylic paint that you have to kind of just add in some greenery, which would be your leaves on your flowers for your flower crown. Now that that is done, we are moving on to the next accent nail, which is just a whole bunch of flowers. So I'm doing the same method that I used earlier. I usually use 4 to 5 dots to create the flower, and here I'm using the purple, and I'm going to go ahead and do that with all of the colors that I just used. For this nail could actually be like a full nail design. Like you could do it on all of your nails. You could do it on just one nail as an accent nail, and you don't even have to do the bunny. That's what's so great about this, is like you're kind of getting 2 tutorials in one. And you could complete 2 complete different looks. Say that 1 time fast, it's hard. And yeah, that is it. We're just going to go in with the blue now and do the same. For the purple flowers, you will notice I used a bigger dotting tool just to get bigger flowers. And then I switched to a smaller one for the pink and the blue. And now I'm just going to add in the centers, and for this one I'm actually going to use gold in the centers of my blue flowers just to bring a little sparkle to this. You could actually use gold like glitter if you wanted and make it very individual, but I just use like a metallic acrylic. And now I'm just going to add in my greenery. For this, I did just use 1 tone, and I didn't worry about it being like super thick. That way it was kind of like darker in places and lighter in others. And you do still want to leave a little white gap here and there just to give it, you know, dimension kind of. And that is that. Once you're done, it is time to wait for it to dry and then apply your favorite top coat. For this design, since it is acrylic paint, it tends to soak up the the top coat, so you might need 1 to 2 coats of top coat. But after that, that is it. Now here's a look at your final manicure, which I absolutely loved. I feel like this is so much fun. It's kind of like the unicorn version of a bunny with a floral crown because, I mean, why not have a flower crown, right? So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This look was so much fun to create. This might be my favorite Easter-ish look that I've ever done, but I mean, it doesn't have to be Easter. It's just a spring animal and spring flowers, so you guys can wear it anytime you want. I think that is it. Be sure to let me know what you guys thought in the description box. Not in the description box. I will have everything you guys need to know in the description box. And you guys can tell me what you liked about this manicure or what manicures you want to see in the near future in the comments below. Because I definitely want to do more videos like this. This was so much fun to do. And it was so much fun to create. I was actually like watching a movie and had the idea and knew I had, as soon as that movie was over, I had to go do it. Otherwise, I'd forget. So that is how this manicure came to be. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will see you all very soon. Bye!